court in Delhi on Monday sent the accused arrested from Batla House on charges of allegedly being an active member of the Islamic State to NIA custody till August 16th. The accused, identified as Mohsin Ahmed, a resident of Bihar's Patna, was produced before a special court on Monday. Ahmed was arrested on Saturday after searches were conducted on his premises and elsewhere in a case pertaining to online and on-ground activities of ISIS, registered by the National Investigation Agency on June 25th. Accused Mohsin Ahmed is a radicalized and active member of ISIS. He has been arrested for his involvement in collection of funds for ISIS from sympathizers in India as well as abroad. He was sending these funds to Syria and other places in the form of cryptocurrency in order to further the activities of ISIS, the NIA had said in a statement on Sunday.